First thing you'll see is an inbox. An inbox is workflow notifications within SafePaaS. Depending on the individual, they may have workflow notifications for exclusions within an SOD analysis, incidents that are being generated through monitoring certain risks, also user provisioning requests. Once again, each individual have different workflow requests if they're involved in the approval process. On the drop down here, I'm going to go into our enterprise access certification drop down and click on access certification. We've already submitted these, so I'll be able to just kind of show you some of the capabilities. Managed certification process is pretty straightforward. You pick your environment. And then you can create that certification. So when I create the certification, you can identify, you can just decide the name, description, start date and end date, and one of the capabilities we had is also to end date action. So if the survey has not been completed by specified end date, you can force the termination of the individuals that have not been reviewed and approved, or you can automatically verify them. Once again, it depends on how you want to use the application, how you want to perform. So I just click on create and it'll initiate. We have significant reporting capabilities. I'll show you those real quick, then I'm going to jump into my email. That hasn't completed yet. Also, access certification summary. Got the wrong environment. So now it'll generate the results of the certification. This one's the summary. I go back to the details, which I should have I grabbed the wrong environment to begin with. The same result. So once again, you can see all the details for who's been reviewed and where it's at in the process. So if I go into email, here's an email that we had run previously. And if I click on the hyperlink in the email, it'll take me into SafePaaS, but it'll also give me the list of individual users that are responsible for my review. So I can terminate the access, verify the access. I know that they have a lot of individuals. It could be a little bit time consuming, but we provide some efficient capabilities to verify all. So if I want to verify this list, just review the list and verify it, I can do that. I can terminate all. So if I know that, all these individuals need to be terminated, I can perform those termination capabilities. I can submit and save. When I submit and save, it'll process it, and then it'll save it for future review. Or I can submit and close this survey. Once again, we provide the ability to eliminate the manual spreadsheets, automate the process, process multiple data sources in the same analysis, and it's all done within enterprise access certification, and provide the capabilities to improve the efficiencies of that process.